All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and this is day 3 of riding the Mickelson Trail in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Beautiful, beautiful area. The Mickelson Trail is 109 miles long. I'm doing out and back rides, so I'm actually doubling my mileage. Ooh, crossing a road here. And today I started at Tracy Park in Hill City and I rode to Rochford. It was 22 and a half miles, so 45 miles round trip. And very interesting. This trail actually has a fee to ride it. It costs $4 a day or $15 for an annual pass. And I bought the annual pass because I was going to be riding for sure for 5 days. It's actually going to take me more than 5 days to ride the whole thing. So I have to figure out if I want to stay in the area long enough to ride the whole thing. But I have filled, you have to fill out a little form, kind of like a receipt. You drop the money in an envelope into a receptacle, and then you've got this little piece of paper, which is an annual pass. So I need to hang on to this for a year. And so what I did is I just stuck it, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? On my, the map case on my side seat mount bag. And I was told that there are monitors, and it is possible that you can be stopped and asked for your receipts while you're riding. So I just thought, okay, I'll just put it in that map case. And, I always ride with my side seat mount bag. So at least I know I'll have it with me. I should probably laminate it if I'm going to hang on to it for a year. And so it's the ride started out with an 8-mile climb. This is a rail trail, so at most 2, 3, maybe 4% grade. But it was about 700 feet of climbing, and then there was an 8-mile downhill, and then it was just kind of undulating until I got to my turnaround point at Rochford. And I have crested the 8-mile climb on the way back, and so I'm just flying down. I've just got a few more miles to go, and I will have about 2,000 feet of climbing, and I'm going to be able to do this on one 514 watt-hour battery. I think that's the right metric. And my average speed is 10 miles an hour, so that should give you some indication of what you could do if you wanted to do this ride. But not much farther to go. Just a few more miles, and I'll be back where I started. So yeah, the Mickelson Trail, the Black Hills of South Dakota. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. milepost 72 and a half. And this tunnel has a bit of a curve in it. Kind of fun. And it's totally shored up, not rock. Fun, right? I love these tunnels. Made sure it was shut behind me. Yeah, look at all these beautiful horses. Oh, what great grass, huh? If I was a horse, I'd love to be out here. Boy, there's so many, all different colors. Maybe those are some of the horses that are for rent to ride on this trail. All right, so I've made it back to Tracy Park, Hill City. And here's my truck. Found my way back. Very successful, lovely ride. And one interesting thing about this area is there is very little phone service. I have Verizon, and I know that there's no phone service here. And so I just have to remember how to get back to where I'm camped. I'm at the Bluebell Campground at Custer State Park. It's so incredibly beautiful. And I think I remember how to get back. And I also think I remember where the grocery store is, because I really do need to do a little grocery shopping on my way. But yeah, now I'm gonna get my trike back in the truck and make my way to the campground. So all right, you guys, thanks for watching.